gLabs is Grant Street Group's Innovation Lab. gLabs projects are selected for their potential learning value and for our ability to effectively demonstrate these innovative ideas to our clients.
Projects that fulfill a need for clients and further enhance our product offering are green-lighted for delivery. Grant Street employees and interns bring these projects to life. Keep watching to learn more.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the customer-facing screen on a payment terminal demo at gLabs. My name is Amy Wan, and I'm a business analyst intern at Grant Street Group this summer. I'm currently a rising senior at the University of Pittsburgh, studying mathematics and minoring in computer science.
My name is Mariah Villanueva, and I'm a software developer intern at Grant Street Group this summer. I recently graduated from the University of Pittsburgh with a bachelor's in computer science.
Today, Mariah and I will be showing you the payment terminal interface we've been working on this summer, which may look a little familiar. Last year at gLabs, this concept was shown to you as an app on an iPad where customers could view their transactions, sign up for Bill Express, and fill out survey information based on their experience in the office. It was well received, but the main concerns mentioned were a lack of counter space for both an iPad and the payment terminal. To address these space concerns, we've been working to transfer these same capabilities from the iPad to solely the payment terminal. We hope that this new process will help to maintain high customer satisfaction and a time-efficient cashiering process for our clients. Currently, Grant Street is beginning the process of rolling out 2 new payment terminals to tax collection offices, the Lane 5000 and the Lane 3000. Utilizing color and touch screens, these pin pads allow for a more interactive customer experience. We have created this project to work with the Lane 5000 payment terminal, but everything you will see can be made to accommodate the Lane 3000 as well. For today's demo, I will be talking through the features we have built while Mariah acts as the cashier running the transaction. To show what we have worked on in a virtual format, we will be showing a split screen. One side will show the taxes screen and the other will display the pin pad screen to show how it interacts with taxes input. In between transactions, we have set up cycling ad space to display on the screen. The ad shown can be customized for any tax collection office. On the right side of the screen on the payment terminal is an example of what a local ad placement might look like. For now, we'll go ahead and step through the checkout process. When a transaction begins and the cashier adds an item to the shopping cart in taxes on the left, the item will then display with any additional details on the terminal screen. Notice that the item can now be seen on the payment terminal on the right. When Mariah deletes an item in taxes on the left side, the item will simply disappear from the terminal screen on the right. You'll see that if no more items are in the cart, the screen will display an empty shopping cart with a 0 balance. So now we're going to go ahead and add some more items back into the cart. You'll see as Mariah adds items to the taxes shopping cart, they show up at the bottom of the list forming on the terminal screen. 3 items can be viewed on the screen at a given time. Notice that each item on the terminal screen has 2 lines of details on the given item underneath. This will let the customer confirm that they are in fact paying for the correct item on the correct account. Currently, these account numbers and addresses are fake data, which is why they are all the same in this transaction. In production, these numbers would be pulled directly from taxes. Each item type would also only display the detail necessary. Not every item will need 2 detail lines, but we can accommodate up to 2. Now notice that when another item is added, a scroll bar function appears, and the customer can choose to scroll up and down to see the details of the items they're paying for. Mariah will now simulate the checkout process for the customer in taxes. After checkout occurs, a survey screen will appear on the terminal, asking the customer to rate their experience in the office. We considered touchless options for the survey, but we felt that using an email or text survey would significantly reduce the completion rate, so we decided to prototype a one-touch survey. If the customer does not leave a review, the survey will eventually time out and transition back to the cycling ad pages. If a transaction begins before the timeout, the screen will transition back to the shopping cart screen. Otherwise, if the customer clicks to leave a review, the number of stars chosen will fill in on the screen. This survey screen can also be customized to fit more specific needs. Any results captured from the filled out survey would then be recorded and tied to the transaction for reporting. The transaction is now over, and the terminal goes back to cycling through the ads until another transaction begins. We are going to show another example of an ad placement that utilizes a QR code. Since we are showing the terminal screen through a phone camera, you'll see here that the camera instantly recognizes the code and will ask if you'd like to link to the corresponding page. The purpose of this ad is to encourage customers to sign up for online bill pay. We hope that this could potentially reduce the volume of people coming into the office to pay their bills. This feature also highlights the terminal's ability to use the QR code to link customers to pages. The customer would be able to scan this code, click on the pop-up link, and be linked to the tax collector's site, where they can then search for their account and sign up on their phone. As you can see on the right, as Mariah clicks on the link, the code takes you right to the site page needed to enter your information. This is our solution for the space problem introduced with last year's project, and we hope that it provides a smoother checkout process for tax collection offices. We'd love to hear your feedback on it, and thank you for your time.